Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the option that allows your contacts to display GIFs on the Telegram app for PC. This feature comes with the new update, and it's a simple setting that you can turn on in just a few quick steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the available features. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu where you can find different sections of Telegram. From the menu, go ahead and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll want to scroll until you find the option that says Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your personal information and what features are available to your contacts. Next, inside Privacy and Security, you'll now notice a new option called GIFs. Click on it to open the gift settings. By default, this feature might be set to more restrictive options, so we'll need to adjust it. Here, you can decide who is allowed to display GIFs to you. Choose My Contacts so that only people saved in your contact list will be able to send GIFs that you can see. This is generally the best choice because it gives you a balance of privacy and functionality. You're not exposed to everyone, but you also won't miss GIFs from friends, family, or colleagues. Once you've selected My Contacts, make sure to finish by clicking Save. This step is important because if you don't save the changes, your preferences won't be updated and the setting will stay the same. That's it. You've now enabled the ability for your contacts to display GIFs on Telegram for PC. With this update in place, you'll be able to enjoy a more engaging experience with the people you care about while keeping your privacy under control. If you found this walkthrough useful, be sure to check your app regularly for more new features, since Telegram updates often bring exciting options like this one.